This is the Boeing one-day reading for July 1st, 2024. It's currently May 26, 2024, 10:02 p.m. Eastern Time. Boeing at the time of this reading is $174.52. That's USD. The shuffle video for the July 1st reading was created on May 24, 2024, 12:04 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a video playing for you in the lower left corner. The overall theme of behavior for Boeing on the first, we have an unexpected move to the upside. It is, however, nullified, indicating that there's some sort of chart behavior which will counteract it relatively soon after that unexpected move higher. Behavior around the lowest low, we have an important support level on a 1 month scale minimum that's highlighted, although it looks like because it's nullified, maybe that doesn't hold. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a near overbought crest that we sell off from, and I'm advised to trade around a prominent move higher on a one-day chart followed by a full retracement of that move back down. Now, I'm going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behaviors, as well as timing the highest highs and the lowest lows and the best trades, all of that in just a moment. But before I do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. We do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. You go to the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders, and 5% of the profits from every profitable trade utilizing this information should be donated forward to one of these charities, or pick a charity of your choosing, as long as you're paying 5% forward, and then 5% should be sent back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use Wise or you can use YouTube tips, and that leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that 90% out of love. As long as you follow those rules, you follow the rule of karma for the channel, the universe considers you an angel investor. It's going to send it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it. So in the pre-market, we have an important price level where we kind of like flatten out at this resistance, but by the open, we've got a U-shaped dip. We come back to the resistance from the pre-market in the first half hour with multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance, and then it looks like we may turn it into support momentarily. We do some sideways rotation, rise to meet the nearest resistance, fall back down, continue rotating sideways, and then there's a rally along a diagonal trend line between 11 and 12 that ends with a fast sudden move higher, and then really sharp move to the downside through that diagonal trend line, taking us into a low for the day there at about 12:25-ish. Out of that low, a huge move to the upside that'll take us to a high for the day thus far between right after just after 1 o'clock, and from that move there's another move to the downside through multiple supports until we find some sideways rotation along key support in the 2 to 3 o'clock hour, which ends, that sideways rotation ends with a fast sudden move higher, taking us into an overbought crest and a high for the day in the last hour. We sell off from that crest pretty notably through multiple support levels, either into the close or in the post market. The sneak preview for the second, we have a failed attempt to break through key resistance followed by a decline through key support. That's going for July 1st, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. Stay tuned if you got the paid version. We're going to get into the best trades momentarily.